Well, being from the beach, we're going on vacation. Where would you want to go?
Let's say Nashville, Tennessee.
What?
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, home of country music. Let's go, check it out. Get that, get that. And today, we're gonna take you on a walk, pretty much a tour of Nashville. We're right here on Broadway, and as you can tell, it is very busy. This is the heart of Nashville, right here. This is where all the entertainment's gonna be and excitement.
Okay, so this is Miranda's place right here.
Yeah, it sure is. So grab your cowboy hat and your boots and sit back and relax.
Whiskey Bent Saloon.
Great Savannah's Candy Kitchen.
Hey, it's about 12 o'clock, isn't it?
Right, it's right at lunchtime. And as we were doing our homework for Nashville, we saw that everybody loves Hattie B's. So we're about to go and check it out for lunch. But in the meantime, we're going to show y'all what's happening up here in Nashville.
Okay, so here's the tin roof again, just like in Myrtle Beach.
Oh, I love the tin roof. I know.
Not sure what that is.
Judy's Honky Tonk.
But it's a lot of it, isn't it?
Yep. Margaritaville.
There's Dirk's Bentley. So you got Hank Williams Jr., but it looks like it's coming soon. The Johnny Cash Museum.
Oh, come over here. Stick it in there. Yeah, you can't get too much of it.
It's a good place to get some boots and hats. There's the stage on Broadway. Jack's Barbecue. Here's the Blanco.
Alright, so as we carry you into pretty much the restaurant area, they still have like live bands playing, music going on, a little bit more shops down this way. I don't know. Let's see.
There's Hattie B's.
Hattie B's. There's your famous Hattie B's.
Let's take a quick stop at the food hall.
So we're right here on 5th and Broadway, and this is where you'll find like all your shops and everything. If you're looking for some shopping down here in Nashville, this is the place you want to come and check it out. they said it's right down here in this beautiful restaurant, not outside, but it is very hot out there. So it's probably best right now for us to be sitting inside.
So I got the croissant BLT.
So I decided to go with a double-decker Cabernet burger. Look at this. What you're eating, baby?
Pan roasted chicken.
Pan roasted chicken. Look at that. Now you know that's not going to fill him up, but he can have mom's hamburger. Unlike us, our son is bougie and he loves this kind of restaurant. Cheers to you bougie people. And once again, if you're going to come down here to Nashville, make sure you wear your sunscreen. It's in the middle of September and it's hot as Hades.
That's right.
Now, I have got one thing to say, V-Box, that Nashville is just a whole lot more crowded than Myrtle Beach. What do you think?
I think it's a lot crowded.
Absolutely.
Here's Tootsie's Orchid Lounge.
I can say that at least in Myrtle Beach, everybody's pretty much spread out. But since Broadway down here is like so popular, just everybody comes to one location and it is just slamming.
And we're just on one side of the street. Look.
Right.
Look at the other side. Legends. And most of these places have a wide open window where you can sit and listen to music if you don't want to go inside. So now we're going to get on this side of the street and walk back. Merchants Restaurant and Grill right here on the corner. All right, so across the street there is Kid Rock. Here's Luke's Wannabe Karaoke Bar. We hit that one. There's Jason Aldean's Kitchen and Rooftop Bar. And we'll head on down.
Tequila Cowboy.
There's Tequila Cowboy. AJ's Alan Jackson. There's Rippy's up close. Look at that old car there.
Betty Boots.
Look at Betty Boots. Broadway Brew House. And there's thousands of people.
Yes, it is.
Let's see. Nashville Gifts. Nashville Music. There's Honky Tonk Central.
All right, well, there you have it. That was a quick walk around of Nashville, Tennessee. If you like what you saw, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification.
So you can keep up with our crazy adventures.
And we've been going a lot of places this year.
That's right.
See you in the next video.
They sure party on those buses, don't they?